Last week, I took a helicopter ride over Mumbai, and it's one of the joyous things I have ever done here.
When I see you smile, I'm feeling free. Step inside my life of fantasy. When you're here, you'll never want to go. Put your faith in something you don't know. Gotta run into
The chopper ride gives a beautiful panoramic view of South Mumbai, hovering over the majestic cityscapes of Mumbai. A 15 to 60 minute ride starting at 7,000 rupees could be a perfect birthday or anniversary gift for your loved ones. If you love to wander across the sky and explore the land and water of this giant metropolitan city, go and explore Mumbai on a helicopter ride.